how to uninstall any program or pre-install app in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get jumped to. First of all, search control panel. So you will find program group. Click on uninstall any program. You will find the list of programs that are installed in your Windows. So you can double click any program you want to uninstall. And make sure that you don't uninstall these Microsoft updates. These are very important. Otherwise, your system will be very slow. So, and the second thing is pre-install apps, like the apps that are pre-installed with Windows. So, how you can uninstall any of these apps? So for that, you need to go to settings. So search for settings, and from here go to apps group. You can see apps group. So then go to apps and features. From here you can search any app that you want to uninstall. You can sort and you can apply the criteria or the filter that you can also find the list on which your app is installed. So anyways, for example, I want to uninstall any of these apps. So click on these three dots. From here you can find the uninstall, you can move it, you can go to advanced option. So that's how. So again, let me rewind you. Here you can double click any of these programs and you can install it. Or you can go to settings and then apps and feature. From here you can also uninstall any apps that is pre-installed in your system. So the third alternative way of this, you can directly search apps and feature. You can directly go to apps and feature, and from here you can also find this list of apps and you can install. I hope you enjoy this, and if you enjoy, like, subscribe and share.